often ignored area of anthropology preparation is answer writing. Students often focus on collecting material, case studies, name of the scholar, but they hardly pay attention on answer writing skills. Answer writing is very important for getting you good marks that can help you to get a decent rank. See, you may have knowledge, but if you are not able to reproduce it, how would you get good marks? So, answer writing is a learnable skill. You need to learn through daily practice. Answer writing करने के लिए आपको discipline होना जरूरी है, आपको consistent होना जरूरी है. और अगर आप consistent रहोगे, then I can suggest a program that we are starting with, right? That would only work if you are disciplined, consistent, right? So I'm sharing the details of the program. The program is Anthropology Daily Answer Writing and Mentorship Program. We have named it AnthroCraft. That means you would learn the craft of writing good quality answers that would help you to get a rank, right? So what all it covers, let's see. So basically there would be 3 questions per day from Monday to Friday, and the course would run for 60 days. Along with that, there would be 2 full-length tests. These 2 full-length tests would be after completion of paper 1 and paper 2, right? Then whatever questions we are giving on a daily basis, they would be complemented by video discussion and model answers. Along with that, we would evaluate these answers of yours within 48 hours. Now, after evaluation, you may find some difficulties, some deficiencies in your preparation. So, you can meet me for one-to-one mentorship. You can also meet our toppers, our guides also, right? That will also help you some way. And along with that, there would be weekly doubt session that would be through Zoom. But if you want to come to me personally, you are always welcome. So this program would be covering the paper, question papers, or you can say PYQs of last 25 years. Okay. Now, this is the idea that we want to fetch you at least this many marks, right? So it's a complete schedule, right? In this schedule, there would be you can say a framework that you can see कि मेरी preparation कैसे आगे बढ़ेगी. ठीक है, ये schedule आपको पूरा दिया हुआ है. It's a properly planned schedule, right? आपको एक proper plan, एक framework मिल गया कि मुझे कैसे अपनी preparation को आगे लेके जाना है, मुझे अपनी preparation को boost कैसे देना है, कैसे मुझे अपने आप को enrich करना है. ठीक है, डेली आंसर राइटिंग, टाइम मैनेजमेंट सीखोगे, मेंटरशिप मिलेगी आपको, और रेगुलर फीडबैक से आप अपनी प्रिपरेशन को और अच्छा कर सकते हो. ठीक है, ये पूरा का पूरा सिलेबस जो दिया हुआ है पर टेस्ट, पर डेली आंसर राइटिंग की किस पार्ट से आपके पास क्वेश्चन आने वाला है. ठीक है, नाउ एक चीज़ मैं लास्ट में बोलना चाहता हूँ कि इस प्रोग्राम को ज्वाइन करने से पहले आप अपना डेडिकेशन खुद से जांच लें. If you think you can be consistent, please do join. We are more than happy to help you. But our help can only work if you are consistent. Right? If you think कि video देख लिया, concept समझ लिया, model answer याद कर लिया, then I think this is not the right program for you. Right? And those who have a little bit confusion, little bit lack of clarity in how to structure an answer, right? What should be written, what should be avoided, everything can be taken care of here, right? So be ready, before you join this program, and I wish all the very best for your future studies. Thank you, all the very best.